What up, y'all? So, not about to do any work, but just got these in the mail, so I figure I'd at least tell y'all about these, and I might do a quick little test. But these are pinch weld adapters. So this is for if you plan on getting the jack and lifting your car up. You put it on these pinch welds like this to keep them from bending. So over here we good. Nothing is bent over here. It's pretty much good all the way back. It might be bent right here, so you can see the difference. Yeah, so this one right here got all bent up real bad. So, and this is just from using jacks, just a regular jacks, sitting them up against there. And basically what happens once you start lifting the car doesn't go straight up because you're only lifting in one spot. So it kind of angles over to the side a little bit. And that angles on the way the jack hits it, and then you end up bending it. So I got the quick jack now, which is in there, so I don't have to go through those problems because the regular lift blocks that come with it, they fit. But I went ahead and got some of these just in case I'm doing something and I don't need the full quick jack setup and I just need to lift one spot. So basically how this works, back on the ground, but yeah, see it's bent back here too. But this little adapter goes right up here like so. There. And then lift the car like that. So this way your jack stays on a flat surface, which is right here. Your car goes up, and this keeps the pinch weld from swaying too much side to side. And you lift the car up and you keep your pinch welds intact. So should have got one of these a long time ago. It's been a lot of lifting this car up with these jacks and jack stand setups, from switching these rims, the other two sets of rims, and then every time the car got to go up to get new brakes or whatever, because I do my brakes and all. So yeah, should have been had them, but got them now. So I got these for that. And if you're a vet type person, get you some of these the pucks. So the vet is a little different. It doesn't have pinch welds because it's got like an actual frame set up, but the frame setup is weird. So there we go. So this little spot right here, this, alright, so that locks in, you twist it, and this gives you a flat spot to jack on the vet. So, you know, just some random info for y'all. And then you twist this, there we go. You twist it and it'll fall out. So just some random stuff to let y'all know while I'm having a slow day over here. But yeah, that's about it. So check in next time. I think I'm about to change the radiator in here in about a week or so, because I got a little see if you can see it, but it looks like it's starting to crack, and I had noticed like a small leak on this side a while back. Still hadn't put this carpet in, so bear with me. But forgot this cover is on here, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to kind of swell a little bit in this area. You can see it more on the other side, but got the cover on it. But anyway, it's starting to swell a little bit, and it looks like it's got a few cracks in like the ribs of it or whatever. So I'd probably be doing a radiator in here in about a week or so. So that'll be something to watch. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna see if I can clean these headlights up a little bit for a little while. I'm probably gonna get some new ones in about a month or so. But for now, I'm gonna see if I can clean them up. And yeah, that's it. I'll check out in the next one.